Ever hit the send button on Venmo and immediately think, whoa, did everyone just see that? You're not alone. Venmo is awesome for splitting bills and sending cash to friends, but its social feed can feel a little exposed. It's like your financial life is on display for everyone you know, and a few people you don't. Maybe you're paying for a super specific gift, or an appointment you'd rather keep private, or maybe you just don't want everyone knowing you bought another coffee this morning. So, how do you keep your Venmo transactions from becoming public knowledge? The good news is, it's actually pretty simple. The key is to get into your settings and change the default privacy for your future transactions. To do this, open the Venmo app and tap on the Me tab. It's the little person icon in the bottom right corner. From there, you'll see a gear icon in the top right. That's your settings. Tap on that. Scroll down until you see Privacy and give it a tap. Now you'll see a section called Default Privacy. This is the big one. It's probably set to friends right now, which means every time you send or receive money, it's automatically visible to all your Venmo friends. You want to change this. Tap on Default Privacy and you'll see three options: Public, Friends, and Private. Tap on Private. This is the magic button. From now on, any new transaction you make will be private by default. Only you and the person you're transacting with will be able to see it. But what about all those old transactions? The ones you already made? No worries, you can fix those too. Go back to your Me tab and scroll through your past transactions. Find the one you want to change and tap on it. At the top, you'll see a little globe or a pair of people, depending on its current setting. Tap on that and you can change the visibility for that specific transaction. You can change it from public or friends to private. You have to do this one by one, so it might take a minute if you're a heavy Venmo user, but it's worth it for your peace of mind. One last thing to remember, even if your transaction is set to private, the memo, or the description you write, is still visible to the person you're paying. So, if you're writing for that thing we talked about, they'll still see that. The privacy setting only controls who else on Venmo can see it. So, just be mindful of what you write in that little note. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.